Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Future. She said that if you love
Ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Giant Hills District kababu hakmat ya ka thong banwanra ya ka jingkhu jingsuba hapo ka sorjowai hagani ka kanti kala beteng biang ban sedang saya ka wat ka Baar ban penlong ya ka awareness program lani ka jing Pynsngewthuh hakalang Skul kibadon hapo upur sam jong ka sorjowai yagani ka awareness program la pelong da ka jing tre lang bat ka Jowai Municipal Board rengkat ka District School Education Office West Giant Hills. Haga bayday bat kani haga arfuay terek unaylor arajar arfuar ki Scouts Master bat ki Guides Captain jong ki unit boper kila lek yu kejat haman lagi Skul ban Pynsngewthuh ya ki Khynnah Skul bat ya ki nohikai syapang ka jingkho jingsuba bat kerpang ru halor ka solid waste management.
you save water, don't pollute water or don't pollute the air so that we can live a healthy life and a peaceful life. Okay, and next,
if today we are facing a big problem with the waste, okay? So imagine how your generation will live. Let the ikat ni pengkojing AI boleh terlihat, kita clear. Ibu the hipenmi mudur, wakampang kita gikan, you would have produced, you would have made umman. Dang yin mudur, dang yin, ada. So you open suki, you open dunai, you open biari suki, and kamu TV yang steps. Come on, solve your boy has a solution. Over here, you can bear when you can do that. Here, you can bear 100%. Here, now suki, if we practice it, we can reduce it slowly and slowly. Okay? And you are slowly and steady wins the race. That's it. They will practice it, they will let it, they will percaya. How we see? Here is to later. Then,
what disease we will get? The lung disease, right? Or respiratory disease. It makes us difficult in breathing. It will not make us easy to breathe, but you don't like to breathe. Why? Because of the polluted air. Okay, now, what do we get when we burn this plastic? Okay, some of you say that by burning the plastic, that is the solution. But again, there is a danger. Okay, there is a danger in burning the waste.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.